Hi, my name is Stuart Caldwell. We're here at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Today we're going to take a look at our 2015 Yamaha 242 Limited. This jet boat has a very nice back. Here in the back you have two seats. You also have placement for a table, as well as access to your stereo system. Moving through the front into the helm, here in the back you have another place for a table. All of the seating is in very good condition. Lots of instruments, your control panels, your Garmin. Here to the side you also have access to a porta potty. There is fresh carpet that goes throughout this particular boat, as well as bow filler cushions up here at the front. You also have an anchor locker and another ladder on the front of this boat. Please come see us at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. We're located at 5800 Lanier Islands Parkway. Again, my name's Stuart. I'd love to show you this boat. It's in great condition and priced right.